Good morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Student, as you know, block 14 is going on, and today we are going to start third lesson plan of block 14. Student, before going to start our today's topic, I want to ask one question to you. What do you eat in dinner? I ate in dinner yesterday rajma and rice and chapati and pulses. Rajma, rice, chapati and pulses. Okay, students, have you ever thought about all these things? Means from where this rajma, rice and the pulses, the chapati, from where these comes? आपको पता है कहाँ से आती हैं ये सारी चीजें? So let us find out this thing. Means from where do we get all this material to make our lunch and dinner? So what is our today's topic, student? Our today's topic is food grains and pulses. And keywords for today's class: food grains, pulses, resources, content book, notebook, workbook, and some items of food grains, pulses, rice, and gram. And many kind of gram is there: Bengal gram, black gram, green gram, and food grains: rice, wheat, ragi, jowar, bajra. These are the food grains. Agenda: question and agenda, questioning, then activity part, after then discussion, then I will give you worksheet to do, and after then homework. So student, what is our today's aim? Our today's aim is to identify the different types of food grains and pulses. Means I will show you in the activity part some type of food grains and some pulses. You will identify which are the food grains and which are the pulses. Okay students, can you tell me what are these pulses? Pulses क्या होती हैं? As we say in our local language, हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? उनको दालें कहते हैं, राइट? तो दालें ही pulses होती हैं. And there are different kinds of pulses and different kinds of food grains also. Means कई तरह के food grains होते हैं और कई तरह की दालें भी होती हैं, पल्सेस होती हैं काफ़ी टाइप की. सो वी विल आइडेंटिफाई देम, वी विल कैटेगराइज देम अकॉर्डिंग टू फूड ग्रेन्स एंड pulses. Before going to start our today's activity, student, I want to ask, what are the different food items you eat in your lunch, dinner and breakfast? Please think about the names. As I take in my lunch the bread, the paratha, and in lunch the pulses, raita, chapatis, right? And in dinner also the paneer, the vegetable, pulses, rice, chapati. So all these things are there. So students, have you ever thought about, means from where the material had come, from where this material has come to make all these food items? Means food items are made of food grains and pulses. Means ये जितने भी food items हैं ये food grains और pulses से बने हुए हैं, right students? And have you ever thought about this thing? कहाँ से ये food grains और pulses आती हैं? Have you ever thought about this thing? Right, all these food grains and pulses we get from the fields. The farmer grow in the fields and then it is sent to the mills, right students? And after then we can buy this from the shops, markets में हम शॉप से इनको खरीद सकते हैं. So this how we get all these food grains and pulses, right students? As in the rice cultivation you learnt about all these things. Rice cultivation में हमें राइस कहाँ से और कैसे मिलता है, इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में पता चला था. How the rice is grown in the fields, राइस के स्टेप बाय स्टेप राइस को किस तरह से बोया जाता है. आफ्टर देन इट इज पैक्ड इन द सैक्स, एंड सैक्स में पैक करने के बाद इसको मिल्स में भेजा जाता है. आफ्टर देन फ्रॉम द मिल्स इट इज सेंट टू द मार्केट्स, और फिर मार्केट्स से हम इसको हमारे घर लेके आते हैं. सेम हाउ वी गेट दिस फूड ग्रेन एंड पल्सेस. Let's start our today's activity, students. What will you do in this activity? First of all, you will make the columns like this in your notebook. 2 rows you will make. One side you will write food grains and the other side you will write pulses. Now I'm going to show you some sample of the food grains and some sample of the pulses. And after then you will categorize them and you will write the name as the food grains here and the pulses here. Yes, students, now look at the pictures. All these pictures. Yes, what are these? These are some food grains and pulses. This is rice. Yes, there is different kind of rice is grown in India. कई तरह का राइस जो है इंडिया में बोया जाता है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? And here you can see wheat. This is ragi, bajra, jowar. Here you can see moong dal, the green gram, the black gram, tuvar dal, the different pulses. These are different pulses, students. Tuvar dal, moong dal, green gram, bengal gram, white gram. जो छोले जिनको हम बोलते हैं काले चने, स्टूडेंट्स काले चने, ग्रीन हरे चने जो होते हैं, तुअर दाल, दिस इज ऑल्सो इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ पल्सेस. ये सारे किस में आते हैं? पल्सेस की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. और इनको हम एज अ वेजिटेबल यूज करते हैं, वेजिटेबल की तरह हम इनको यूज करते हैं. Now move to the discussion part, students. Now I want to ask some questions to you. Name some food grains that you could identify from the samples, and name some pulses that you could identify from the samples. Yes, I have shown you some pictures of the food grains and some pictures of the pulses. So could you identify them? Right. Which are the food grains, students? Wheat, rice, millet, jowar, ragi. These could be in the category of food grains, as I told you. And what could be the pulses? The bengal gram, tuvar dal, the black gram, and moong dal. These could be in the category of the pulses. These are the food grains and these are the pulses. So this how we can categorize them as food grains and pulses. Can you name some more food grains or pulses other than these? As I have shown you in the table, we have categorized them as food grains and pulses. Can you think about the more names? Yes. What can be the names? More names: maize, corn, and bajra. These could be the more food grains, and green gram. And there are many more food grains and pulses. Different types of food grains and pulses are grown in throughout the India. पूरे इंडिया में काफ़ी तरह के फूड ग्रेन्स और दालें उगाई जाती हैं, and we are using them in our food widely all over the India. These are used as their food items. अपने फूड आइटम्स में भी यूज करते हैं. इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट राइस से कितने टाइप्स की फूड आइटम्स बनती है, कितने टाइप की डिशेस बनती हैं, राइट. एज we learnt about all these things in the previous chapter also, previous lesson plan I told you about the use of the rice. We can make kheer, payasam, pulao, biryani, idli. All these things we can make from the rice. Now it is time for the higher order thinking question, students. Why is it important to include the food grains and the pulses in our food? Is it important to include all the food grains and the pulses in our diet? Yeah, if yes, then why? Yes, it is important to include all these food grains and the pulses in our diet. Why? Because these are the resources of the protein, and protein make our muscles strong. प्रोटीन जो है हमारी मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने में हमारी हेल्प करता है. सो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू include these food grains and pulses in our food items. Student, now it is time for the reading section. Now open page number 33 of your content book. Food grain and pulses. It is important to include food grains and pulses in our diet because they keep us healthy. क्योंकि वो हमें हेल्दी बनाते हैं. So it is important to include all the food grains and pulses in our food items. Food grains. Food grains. People eat different kinds of food grains in our country such as rice, wheat, maize, jowar, and bajra. Pulses. Besides food grains, people also eat different kinds of pulses. Some of the commonly eaten pulses are black gram, green gram, moong dal, tuvar dal, and bengal gram. Pulses are a good source of protein. Pulses जो है good source होती है प्रोटीन की. And we need proteins for a healthy body. As प्रोटीन जो है हमारी मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. So to build our muscles strong, we need protein, and these pulses are the main source of the protein. So we should include these food grains and pulses in our diet. Now it is time for application time, student. You will apply your knowledge. You will do S3, that is given on page number 32 in your workbook. Now open 32 number page of your workbook. Food grains and pulses. Fill in the blanks with the names of the food grains and pulses in the boxes. You will recognize the food items, means these are food grains or the pulses, then you will write the name below these pictures. Now question number 2, why should food grains and pulses be included in our diet? Give 2 reasons. You will write here 2 reasons why should we include these food grains and pulses in our diet, as I told you in the discussion part also. Yes student, now it is time for your homework. You will complete practice question number 3. This is given in page number 36 in your content book. 3. Can you name some food grains or pulses that you eat? Can you write the name of food grains or pulses that you eat? In our daily in our daily routine, we are eating many of the food grains and pulses in which we including in our lunch and dinner. For example, food grains. How do we use the food grains in our lunch, dinner and breakfast? We use like the rice, the wheat से हम क्या बनाते हैं, like chapatis, bread. These things are also made from the food grains. And the pulses, we are eating moong dal, chana dal, tuar dal. So these food grains we include in our food. At last, now let's summarize our today's topic. What is our today's topic, students? Food grains and pulses. Which food grains and pulses we are using in our food diet? There are many food grains and pulses. Right, students? Wheat, rice, bajra, millet, maize, corn. These are the food grains. And which are the pulses? Like tur dal, Bengal gram, white gram, green gram, moong dal. All these are the pulses which we add in our food items. And why should we include all these food grains and pulses in our diet? Because these build our muscles strong, and these are the source of the protein also. So we should include these food grains and pulses in our food items. Now students, be ready for next class also, and the resources for next class, your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.